Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting up the tools you'll use. Install KWGT Pro and a customizable launcher like Nova. Once done, collect your PNG or SVG icons and choose 2 to 3 fonts and a cohesive color palette so styling stays consistent. Now create a blank widget of the correct grid size on your home screen and open the editor. This step gives you a controlled canvas to work on, and it speeds later tweaks because assets and dimensions are already decided. You now design the widget's internal layout by stacking layers. Start with a subtle background, then add a card layer for contrast, text fields, icons, and soft shadows for depth. Make sure to use padding and alignment controls so elements sit evenly. This prevents overlap across device sizes. Use percentage-based sizes or grid relative values for responsiveness. As you adjust fonts and icon sizes, preview on different widget sizes to ensure readability and maintain the intended. Finally, you add interactivity and finalize. Assign tap actions, open apps, shortcuts, or custom intents, and set sensible update intervals to balance freshness with battery life. Once composed, optimize performance by compressing images and minimizing heavy formulas. Test every action and widget size on your home screen. If something breaks, try one troubleshooting tip first. Clear the widget app cache and check background permissions. This often resolves update or rendering issues without losing your layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.